In North Texas, we don't have oceans or mountains, but we sure love our lakes. Today, I would like to take you on a tour of an amazing lakeside and golf course communities on the shores of Lake Ray Hubbard that often gets overlooked. If you are after excellent schools and resort-style living just 20 miles away from the heart of Dallas, Heath Golf and Yacht Club is definitely worth exploring. This community is just 15 minutes drive from the beloved Rockwall Harbor, one of the area's most recognizable landmarks and a favorite gathering place for everyone on the east side of the Metroplex. Coincidentally, the visionary behind the Rockwall Harbor is also the developer of the Heath Golf and Yacht Club. There's no doubt that Rob Whittle, along with his family, have a talent for creating exceptional living and recreational spaces. I always tell my clients there is no shortage of beautiful homes in Texas, but here you're purchasing more than just a gorgeous home, you are investing in a quality of lifestyle. Whether you are an avid golfer, a boating enthusiast, or someone who simply loves to unwind by the lake, Heath Golf and Yacht Club makes coming home every day feel like a vacation. Spanning over 787 acres, this community features a championship golf course and a great clubhouse complete with dining, a resort-style pool, tennis and pickleball courts, a fitness center, and stunning sunset views of Lake Ray Hubbard. Imagine lounging by the pool with your favorite refreshment while your husband plays a round of golf. Not a bad way to spend a day. The clubhouse also offers 12 boat slips, allowing boat owners to easily launch their boats from either public ramp at Terrace Park or Chandler's Landing Marina, then cruise over here and pick up their family. If boat ownership is not your thing, the marinas on Lake Ray Hubbard make it simple to rent a boat whenever you want. For sailing enthusiasts, Rush Creek Yacht Club offers a fantastic sailing program and hosts various regattas throughout the year that are beautiful to watch. The families will also appreciate the highly acclaimed Rockwall schools, including an elementary school conveniently located adjacent to the community. Currently in its final phases, Heath Golf and Yacht Club will feature over 1,200 residences with a mix of housing options and price points ranging from $400,000 to over $3 million. I think the developer did a great job with the community layout. There is a large loop that runs through the area with small clusters of cul-de-sac lots branching off from it. We've all heard the saying location, location, location when it comes to real estate, and I believe it applies just as much to your home site within the community. While you can update and improve your home over time, you can't move it to a different lot. That's why I always pay special attention to the lots available. Heath Golf and Yacht Club offers a fantastic selection of home sites, whether you prefer the serene backdrop of a tree line or the picturesque views of the golf course. There are several great builders in the community, including Beather Homes, Castle Rock Communities, Altura Homes, Grant Homes, Stonefield Homes, Partners in Building, and Whittle & Johnson Custom Homes. Let's briefly explore each and be sure to stick around until the end to discover a little-known secret about Heath Golf and Yacht Club. Let's start with Beather Homes because I believe they offer the best value. Not only do they have the lowest prices in the community, but Heath Golf and Yacht Club is also the first community in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex where each new home includes 2,000 kilowatts of solar energy in the base price. You can also upgrade to 8,000 kilowatts, which should provide enough solar energy to offset your annual energy consumption. Additionally, Beather Homes come pre-wired for electrical vehicle charging stations. While every builder will claim their energy efficiency, Beather Homes are truly ahead of the curve. With 6 floor plans to choose from, ranging between 2,400 and 3,700 square feet and prices starting in the 600s, Beather Home is building upon the entrance to the community. Castle Rock will also be joining Bidder Homes, offering 13 available lots at the same area, plus another 14 lots as you move further in the community. I personally adore Castle Rock lot positioning. Many of their home sites back to either a tree line or a golf course. Another reason why I think it's meaningful is because the only complaint I hear about this community is the presence of wrought iron fencing, which is typical for championship golf course communities. If you value more privacy, having your home back up to a tree line or a golf course could be a wonderful feature. Castle Rock communities offer 14 floor plans ranging between 2,500 and 4,300 square feet. They have 80, 90, and 100-foot wide home sites, and all their homes include a 3-car garage. Even though their base prices start in $600,000, after including lot premiums and design center selections, you likely will be looking at high 700 to over $1 million price point to build with them. Next up is Grand Homes. Their designs are very distinct and instantly recognizable. If you love grand staircases, soaring high ceilings, and abundance of natural light, you may just fall for Grand Homes. They have been offering the same floor plans for as long as I can remember, which speaks volumes about their timeless and elegant designs. Grand Homes have some stunning 90 and 100-foot wide home sites, many of which back to a beautiful tree line or also a scenic greenbelt that will become a future golf course. With Grand Homes, you can expect to invest between $800,000 to $1.7 million. Now moving on to one of my most favorite new builders, Partners in Building. Well, I very much enjoy where I live and have no intentions of ever moving, but every time I walk through a Partners in Building home, I find myself questioning that conviction. I love everything about their homes, from the thoughtfully curated floor plans to the finest finishes. Their quality of construction, craftsmanship, and attention to detail are second to none. They are a custom builder, so if you have specific preferences for how you live or particular spaces you need in your home, Partners in Building will likely be able to accommodate your requests. Their prices will start at $900,000, which I think is an incredible value for the quality that they provide. They have 90 and 100-foot wide home sites with some pretty golf course lots available to build on. If you happen to be looking for a gorgeous custom home on an acre of land in Heath, there is a small community nearby called Chapel View that you should check out. Then there is Stonefield Homes, a luxury custom builder that has shifted to more affordable designs. I'll be frank, I have never worked with them, so I can't share any personal experiences. Stonefield Homes have several quick moving homes available and a couple lots to build on, with pricing starting at $800,000. Altura Homes and K. Hovnanian Homes will soon be joining the community. Altura Homes has 20 lots available, offering 4 floor plans ranging from 2,100 to 2,600 square feet, with prices starting at $580,000. K. Hovnanian is expected to start selling early next year and will feature their Extra Suite Plus product, which includes a larger and more private secondary suite. There's also an option to add a separate living area with a kitchenette and private entry, ideal for multi-generational living. If you are into a low-maintenance, lock-and-live lifestyle, you can purchase one of the luxury golf villas at Heath Golf and Yacht Club. These luxury townhomes, available in 1- and 2-story designs, will range in size from 2,000 to 2,200 square feet, with prices starting in the high 500s. Last but definitely not least, the community offers custom homes. There are currently 4 brand new lakefront homes available for sale that are breathtakingly beautiful. An amazing feature about these homes is that you can build your own boathouse. Here's what many people don't know about this community. At Heath Golf and Yacht Club, you can purchase one of the custom home sites and bring your own builder. If it is something of interest to you, I would love to show you the available lots for sale. You won't find this information on the MLS. This wraps up our tour of Heath Golf and Yacht Club. If you are thinking of relocating to the Dallas-Fort Worth area or just moving within the Metroplex, I would love an opportunity to help you find your dream home. Hi, it's Anastasia Riley. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you are interested in seeing more videos, please click right here. If you have any questions, please call 972-984-0511.